All right, today I'm going to show you how to assemble, disassemble, clean, and store your Mobi chair. You can see today we have it in the back of a pretty mid-sized SUV, and it's super easy to get in and out. So the first thing you're going to do is grab the front wheel, and they all have quick release pins. So you just loosen the nut a little bit, and the front one is going to slide directly inside. Tighten it up a smidge and close the quick release handle so that it's nice and tight. Same thing, you're just going to loosen up these pins and you're going to insert in the top of the triangle. What you're going to do is pull the quick release pins in the back here just to recline the chair to make it a little more comfortable. Now the arms have a quick release knob. All you do is unscrew both of them to make sure that the arm can slip in easily. So the next part, you're going to take the arm with its quick release pins and you're going to insert the back tube first, just out of ease. Push the pins in, lock it into place. Then you're going to flip the arm down to slide into this bottom knob hole. Give it a quick turn so it tightens up. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So same thing as before, you've slid in your quick release pin into the back and you're going to slide the arm into the rod hole. Don't forget to hold your chair so it doesn't roll away from you. Lock down that last pin. Now we're ready to have some fun. All right, so after you're done having fun, it's really important that you clean the chair with fresh water. We will supply you with a 2-gallon freshwater sprayer. Super easy. All you have to do is pull up and pump some air into it. The valves are already set and on. You just hold the handle and we're gonna spray off all that sand. Most importantly, we're gonna get into all these little gear spots to get all the salt water and the sand out of all those little joints. This is what's going to keep these chairs giving you guys fun after fun for the next year to come. Make sure you're getting in all those little quick release pins, and we're flushing all that sand and salt water out of there so these chairs can last you guys a really long time. All right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our tether off of that front anchor, and we're going to slide it into the pouch. We're going to unscrew our knobs and pull out our first piece. Push those safety pins in. We're going to unscrew that knob on the other side as well. Pull up, and you're just going to pull them out. Same as before, we're just going to open up those quick release pins. Nut if you need to, just to give it a little more room to easily pull it on out. We're going to close the chair up And same as before, we're just gonna loosen up that pin, hold your wheel, lift up. Last one, loosen up that pin, hold your wheel, and lift up. The way I found works the easiest is to start in the far corner and start stacking your wheels. Okay, so we're gonna put the chair in next. It's easiest if you take the foot strap and lock it around so it stays closed for you when you lift it. Pick up from the side in this rear back bar. Let all that water drain out. And slide it on in. Now we can take the flotation arms and you can either slide them in front or you can slide them on in the back to give yourself a little more storage room. And as you can see, we have plenty of room still to put our water tank in as well. There you have it.